Show you how to remove the monitor, touch panel, and the receiver from a Jeep Cherokee 2019, which is similar to other Cherokees 2019 and up. The tools that you need is this Phillips screwdriver and this blue dashboard removal tool. We already made everything loose, by the way. This is just for the demo only. The first step, you pop up this AC control panel. It doesn't have any screws. You just remove it, and these are the location of the clips which is holding it. Just drop it down, and then you would be able to remove the two Phillips screws holding the bezel around the monitor. Once you get the screws out, then you pop the cover up, and it has only one connector which you need to disconnect, and you can put it on the side. And then now you can see the 4 mounting screws Phillips for the monitor, 4 of them. And once you get these 4 out, and then you can disconnect the connectors from the back of the monitor and the touch panel. And if you need any repair for the touch screen or receiver or the radio, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.